Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings. Let's tap on it, and here in this left section we have to find the apps, which are, as you can see, under the battery and device care. So let's tap on it, and let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got the option reset up preferences, and here after tapping on it your device will tell you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, also notifications restrictions for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.